Hi dears, this video I meant actually those who are doing the initials of substitution method of integrals. So normally students will raise a question in the classes how we should identify which function should be differentiated, which function we should give substitution, and how will we identifying that. So there is no any particular cut and straight rule for this, but however, suppose if you consider the first question, we can see the function and its derivative. Function and derivative will be here. See, example 1 plus x square function derivative is very clear here 2x, and here you can see log x differential is 1 by x here, and similarly in several other places you can see function and derivatives. Example over here cos x, if you take it as t, its derivative will be there minus sin x. So in many questions, so suppose you consider this 17 questions, out of this many questions you can see a function and its derivative in the form of quotient, maybe in the form of product, maybe in the form of like the exponents. So suppose you take it over here, t is equal to x square. If you differentiate, see dt is equal to 2x dx. See, x will be available here, x dx. And but in some questions we need to make it. Example this question. See, if you take here denominator, from denominator if you take x common outside, see 1 plus log x, if you take it as 1 plus log x as t, and it will be derivative will be 1 by x dx. So most questions the function and its derivative will be visible in the question, but many questions that will be hiding. So such kinds of questions, example this question, it's not evident, that is not clear, and this question it is not clear, and this question that is not clear, and this question, this kind of questions it is not very evident. So such kinds of questions we can make some small adjustments, or you call it as integration techniques. We can make it such kinds of functions in the form of a function and its derivative. So many other questions we need to use extraordinary integration techniques to find out the answers. So like it's a moderate to a difficulty level questions are there. However, few questions has been done under this playlist, and most probably the most tested questions of Cbse board examinations, and mostly students will be identifying that as difficult. Okay, I think it's useful for you. Thank you for